Hey, hey, look at this. I love this inspo pic for my living room. Yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. Plants and more plants. But I don't want it to look like a jungle. But I want it to be relaxing, breathable, good air flowing, no carbon dioxide. This is so relaxing to me. Uh, so I just want to show y'all my inspo pic for my living room. So enjoy the video today. Living over 50. It has its ups and its downs, its pros and its cons. But I have learned you have to accept your age, accept the time that have passed, and pray that you have a future. And in between those two, center yourself and pour into yourself. As a single mom of 3, I've given. Sometimes I felt that I've given out, so I can't give anymore, and my children won't pour back into me. That's where I made a mistake. Yes, they should pour back into me. But if they don't, I should have enough courage to pour back into myself, enough wisdom to know how to pour back in myself, and to be happy with it. That's all I got to say about that. Enjoying my life and not going back on, I wish I should have, could have, would have. It's too late. Just enjoy it with Jesus and pour back into myself, because I deserve it. You deserve it. We deserve it. Enjoy this video as I do a clean in the living room. No more talking, I don't think. Just cleaning. A quiet cleaning. Talk to you later.
Can I tell you what's on my mind? 'Cause I've been thinking about it for quite some time. Hey, and stay? Will you promise to never leave if I tell you what's on my mind? Hey, hey, can I let you see the real me? Will you hang around or will you break free? Would you break free, baby? I just need to know. Would you let me go if I tell you what's on my mind? I know
I hope you enjoyed the video, the cleaning video. I'm done with the living room. The wall behind the couch, that has to be painted. That's the only section that's left, and I've been waiting for months for my son to come and do it. And the picture is off balance and crooked, but I'm going to have to do it myself. I'm tired of waiting on him. I'm going to take initiative and do stuff myself. I got this. I got this. With the help of the Lord, I got this. So now it's time for me to sit back, relax, and love it.